Yo, I got Canary Melon I got from Superstore, and or no, I got this one at Costco. Hopefully it's good. Ugh. That's what it looks like on the inside. Fruit's really good for you because it's got lots of water. Okay, this one looks really good. These ones come from Brazil, and I guess it's like the end of summer or something. It's like really hot in Brazil right now. And like melons like the heat, right? So that's why they're all coming in right now. So it's a good time to get these melons, because otherwise, honestly, you're not gonna be able to get them like for a while. So you may as well get them when they're good. So yeah, Superstore and Costco sell these right now. If you like these videos, please share them, because it's all about health and wellness and picking the best fruit, and you're going to save money listening to how you pick the best melons. You know, you want to find the heavy Canary melons that aren't too soft but should be a little soft. It's good. That was so good. It wasn't as good as the snowball melon I had. I give that one a really high score. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Share it with your friends. Find melons that you can eat that are going to be ripe and juicy, because they're good for you. So I'll give that one an 8.7.